Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert brand YouTube channel to original channel. It's very simple. You just simply replace the brand and convert as original without delete anything. How to do it? Let's check it out. This is my YouTube channel and how to find out your channel is you created a brand account or not. If you click here the profile menu, here the switch. So look at this here. Tech Research first position is original channel of my and Tech Research second one is a brand channel. So I just simply replace brand to original one. First of all, you just simply open this YouTube Studio, then setting, after that here channel, advanced setting, and scroll down and here manage YouTube account, click here. After that here the advanced setting and scroll down. Look at this here. If you created brand account, so here it is showing move channel to your Google account to the different brand account. So I just simply move my original account, my YouTube channel. Just simply click here. Two-step verification you can provide here if you created, so give the permission and scroll down again here. Look at this here, already has YouTube channel. So already Tech Research channel is available. Only brand account owner by account will be appear below. So here I just simply say replace, I understand, wish to process and delete the channel. Make sure that condition your original channel have no subscriber, no video and no playlist. So automatically replace then delete. And here are you sure you want to move and update your channel? From here all information they are providing, your channel name, icon, update, access, nothing is changed, everything is a replace and move. And look at this here, your channel has been successfully moved. It may be take 10 minutes spent. Afterwards you can just simply say refresh, account is deleted. I go back here. So look at this here, after spending 1 or 2 minutes automatically visible your channel, don't worry. And if I switch here, so look at this here, nothing, no more channel is showing, just only one channel is showing here, that's it. Afterwards you can see here switch and just only one channel is showing. So this is the simple process to convert your brand channel to original. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.